What's the meaning of calmness? Calmness. Calmness.
Calmness. Calmness. Calmness is a state of being free from agitation, excitement, or disturbance. It is characterized by a sense of tranquility and peace that enables individuals to think clearly and act with composure even in stressful situations. This state of mind promotes relaxation, mindfulness, and emotional stability, which can help to reduce anxiety and stress levels. A calm person is better equipped to manage challenges and make thoughtful decisions, allowing them to lead a more fulfilled and productive life. Overall, calmness contributes to a positive mental and physical well-being by enabling individuals to maintain a balanced and harmonious state of mind.